Hi, I'm Rory McLaren, and I'm excited to introduce you to our newest trainer, which is a tabletop trainer. What we decided to do here was to use an excavator because an excavator has so many moving components. So we could use a variety of cylinders and also a hydraulic motor. This is available either as a kit, partially assembled, or a complete assembly as you see it here. It's made up of high quality components. The metal, the parts and pieces are made out of metal. It has a really nice pressure gauge, and it has a variety of cylinders, which is cool because now students can see the difference in pressure as it relates to lifting up loads with large diameter cylinders or small diameter cylinders. It's got a cute little hydraulic motor that gives us our swing capability. Let me show you how it works. So we've got all the same functionality as any excavator. You've got 4 directional control valves. One allows the boom to go up and down. The next one extends and retracts the arm. The next one is for the bucket controls. And finally, we have the swing to the left and swing to the right. What we have in this particular tray here is we've got pellets, because pellets are nice and clean and they're relatively inexpensive. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to now extend the bucket, bring the bucket forward, and here's another cool feature. When we go down to dig, it is going to behave like a real excavator. Why? Because typically an excavator would lift up. As it digs down, it has the ability to lift up. If this was rigid, the bucket would just dig into the bottom and it wouldn't come back. This is designed so the whole front end can come up. So you can see, as I push down on them, the whole front end comes up. That gives me the ability to then dig, come backwards, dig, and then roll my bucket to pick up the material. And then I'm going to raise this, swing to the right, go out there, extend, and then dump the material. How cool is that? This is going to be something that is for the high school level student that wants to get into hydraulics. It would be absolutely ideal for skills competitions. Imagine this at a skills competition where the student either has to build the entire thing or somewhat assembled so that it fits into the time frame for the competition. So it can come in any configuration. In addition, this is a complete unit. It comes with this what we call play tray. Now let's say this is something that is not within your budget. Then we have a bracket that will allow the student to build it, but it'll clamp onto the edge of a bench, and it still has the same identical functionality. So the other thing we've done here for safety is it runs with a water pump. That's cool. There's no hydraulic oil involved. It runs at very low pressure. So it's all operated with water. What we've done here is we put a little bit of dye in the water so you can actually see let's say the fluid in the lines, and so the student can get to see what's happening as the various cylinders and motors are actuating. So it's very, very cool from that point of view. It's about 36 inches long. You'll see on the screen, you'll see a dimensional chart here and other information, pertinent information about it. It's something that is extremely cool for high school level students, skills competitions, and for those folks out there who are manufacturers, try to imagine what this would look like if it had your company's name on the side, your product name on the side. It was at a show, something you could gift to a client. That would be another cool thing to do with it. So our web address is on the screen, and if you have any interest in learning more about it or even seeing this in a virtual, by all means, give us a call. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep building new products. Take care.